Is it worth getting an Echo with the screen? Echo Show is supposed to be a visual way of showing you Alexa responses. You can see your calendars, you can do weather forecasts, you can watch movie trailers, and more. In this video, I'm going to unbox and set up, then give first impressions on the Echo Show. But first, I want to say hi, my name is Craig, and this is my Tech Talk. I love learning about new technology like this and sharing it with you. So if you have any comments or questions, please share them. Also, check out the description. I bought the Echo Show for $149.99. It is normally $229, and I believe it's on sale for another week. You could click on the link below, find out more about it, buy one. If you do, Amazon will kick me back a small little fee for you buying one. But now let's dive deeper into this. This is week number 23 of my Echo videos, and I thought I would finally break down and buy the Echo Show. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and once I started digging deeper into it and learned that you can now look at your calendars, you could check weather forecast, you could watch movie trailers, you could watch Prime videos on it, you could do Prime photos. Fun stuff, you get lyrics to music that's playing. You can make video phone calls to family and friends. And there's a lot of things that kind of open up once you add that screen. So once the price became a little more reasonable, I thought it was time to dive in and check it out. The way Amazon describes it is that this is everything that you love about Alexa, and she can now show you things. Let's open this thing up. Nice. This here is the Echo Show. We'll open that up in a minute. Let me just get this box out of here. Here's a thing to try different commands, and it looks like a little manual to get it started. Power adapter. That is it inside the box. Oh, here is a view of the Echo Show. Let me show you from the front. This has Dolby digital speakers. It has 8 microphones built in on it. The display is meant to show you information that can be read from a distance. There is the mute button that's found with other Echoes. Volume up, volume down. Your camera's located right here. Power plugs in the back with the same cord. If you have an Echo, it looks like the same cord. So now let's get this thing powered up.
Hello, your Amazon Echo Show is ready for setup.
I'm curious how much of this, if we get to set up the whole device without actually having to use a phone. Entering my password right now to my network. Now we're connecting to the network. Sign in now with my Amazon account. Enter my password. Now we're registering. Welcome. Confirm North America, Pacific time zone. Checking for Alexa app. I'm trying not to pull my phone out until it says so.
Introducing Amazon Echo Show. It's everything you love about Alexa, but now she can show you things. Play movies from Amazon Video, view your photos, or see what's on your calendar and to-do lists. And now there's a new way to be together. Make hands-free video calls to friends and family. Call Tina. Ready for some music? Echo Show fills the room with bold stereo sound. Alexa, show today's most popular songs.
Here are popular songs.
Alexa, play number 2. And with Amazon Music, you can follow along to the lyrics of your favorite songs. You can watch movie trailers, or even watch your favorite shows and movies from Amazon Video. Alexa, play the Grand Tour. Alexa is always getting smarter. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Enjoy your new Echo Show from Amazon.
I found that interesting, and oh, we're loading right now. That was kind of cool watching that video. It feels like there's a lot of good stuff.
Your Echo Show is ready.
We're ready. That was the setup process. So we're looking at the display right now. That's meant to be seen. Let me turn it. And that's meant to be seen from across the room. So So now let's swipe through. It's giving me some weather, stories, set personalized background. You could pick it from photos. Let's just try a couple things. Alexa, play the trailer for Infinity War. There's the trailer. Alexa, open Prime Video.
Here's Prime Video.
Oh, cool. You could swipe through movies. Okay. Kind of cool. I don't know how much I'll be watching the way of movies on this, but I do like some of the expanded features. I'm really going to have to dive deeper into this. I do see how having this information, being able to read some of this from a further distance is going to be cool, because this is going to be living in my kitchen. That is the unboxing, setup, and first impressions of the Echo Show. I look forward to playing more with it. I do plan on making another video once I have used it more to show what features are enhanced or different with the screen. But until then, if you have any comments or questions, please share them. I have a question for you. Do you see value in having a screen with your Echo? Also, are you more likely to purchase one now at the price of $149 versus $229? Let me know your answers in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to stick around, check out future videos. So hit that subscribe button, the bell next to it, and you'll be notified when next week's Echo video comes out and any other ones. I'm also doing live streams on Sunday. Please stop by, check them out, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And hopefully I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.